Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Game Pass games on your Xbox One so you can go ahead and download these and start playing. So there's two different ways that you can find Game Pass. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and it will be this middle icon right here. This is Game Pass right next to the Microsoft Store. And then you can find everything through here. Otherwise, you can press the Xbox button on your controller. Open up the guide menu right here, scroll on down, and you can see in big letters, Game Pass. So I'll bring you to the same page here. So you can go to the recently added games and see what is new on here. Or you can go through the catalog or search. So we can just go to Show All right here. And you can view every game on Game Pass. Now, if you want to see which Game Pass games are installed on your Xbox One, you can press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, go to See All. Now, go on down to Full Library, go to the right, and we can go to Xbox Game Pass right here. And if you downloaded one of these games or added them to your library, they should be under here. Now, if the game is installed, it will be under the Games section, and you should be able to find it here as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.